where does the sheep go? That's right. And where does the horse go? Okay, show me where the horse goes. Which one do you want? You want the cow? Where's the cow go? Whoops. Right, that's where the cow goes. And where does the pig go? Where's the pig go? That's right. Good. And where does the goat go? Right up top. Whoops. That's right. And what about the horse? You didn't put the horse away. Where's the horse go? Yeah. Where does the horse go? And with the cow. Good job. Good job, bud. Good job.